Stocks are at an all-time high. The S&P 500, all-time high. The NASDAQ, all-time high. International markets, all-time high. Gold, all-time high. Crypto, having a problem. But this has happened before, right before your eyes. It's playing out exactly as planned, and it's going to shock the world. But don't let this happen to you. Let me show you facts. Take a look. It happens like clockwork, and history is repeating. 2014, we rallied to the top of this line at exactly the market cycle top. 4 years later, 2018, what did we do? We rallied to the top of the line again at exactly the market cycle top. Like clockwork, 4 years later, 2022, we rallied to the top of this line at exactly the market cycle top. It shocked the world, but it's like clockwork every 4 years. Now, 2022, 4 years later, we're back at this line, 2026. And what is happening? Are we at the top of our market, or is this time different? I'm going to let you in on the secret clue, and we are going to cover the facts. Let's get into it. Hey, I'm Steve. I show you facts in the charts. No paid ads, no paid sponsorships, just straight facts that really help you. Subscribe. So here we are, S&P 500 index, and we are on the 2-month chart. On the 2-month chart, we've got a lot of data in front of us, and I'm going to give you a huge secret chart that's 150 years old and has accurately predicted every boom and bust of the last 150 years. Guess what? 2026 is on that chart, and I'm going to unveil that to you. But first, we're going to cover the facts. We're going to jump in a time machine, and we're going to go back to 1956. You see, this is not the first time we have been in this pattern. Every 4 years, like clockwork, it's been happening for forever. For as long as you can look at the data, we've got significant data dating back to 1956. Likely you weren't even born yet in 1956, and we were already doing this like clockwork. You see, what we're in right now is we're in a bull flag. Love it or hate it, we're in a bull flag. And can this break to the upside? Absolutely. Would it be monumental? You better believe it. But let's get into the facts, because we are at the top of this channel, and we've been doing that like clockwork every 4 years. We were in a similar formation back here starting in 1956. And 4 years later, 1960, we reached the top of the channel again at the market cycle top, and it goes to 1964. 4 years later, same thing. 68, same thing. 72, 76, and this is where things changed. 1980. That's when we ended our 10-year drought, and that's when things exploded, because we broke out of this formation and things really started to take off like a rocket ship. So you're probably sitting at home with your phone, with your computer, with your tablet, and you're watching this and you're thinking, hey, are we going to do what we did in 1980? Are we going to break out of this channel? Are we about to go to the moon? Because Steve mentioned we're in a bull flag. So a bull flag, you can see, we had our swing low in 2009. You guys may remember 2009 very well. That was the bottom of that market. That was also the double bottom of our 10-year period, where about every 30 to 50 years we enter one of these 10-year droughts. Crypto has never seen it before, but it's coming. You can see in the 70s, we were in our 10-year drought as well. And as well as the 30s and the 40s, we were in that drought as well. So it happens every 30, 40 years, 50 years that we get inside of such a drought. And are we about to get into some drought, or are we about to break out to the moon, or is this the top of the market? Let's really dig into the facts, because in 1980, we didn't stop at this blue line. We rallied through it, and we broke out of this 10-year period, And that was the best financial opportunity of everybody's lifetime, was to invest in the early 80s and sell before the 2000s started, because the 2000s in the beginning, it brought us back into that 10-year period again. So from the early 80s to the year 2000 was quite literally the best time to ever invest, just like from 2012 up to current day. It's that same sort of expansion, that same sort of explosion. However, we cannot ignore the facts. 2014, 2018, 2022, 2026, every 4 years, we reach the top of this line. Now, some people are maybe they weren't prepared with this line. They weren't looking at this area. They weren't really engaged with what happens every 4 years, especially with the top of the market. But a couple of years ago, this is what I had to say when we were way down here. Roll the clip. Keep in mind, as we're in this structure, the top level acts as resistance and the bottom acts as support. The top is the market cycle top. The bottom is the market cycle bottom. Tilt your phone to the side and subscribe. So we were prepared. We were looking at this chart. We were studying this chart and we were ready. We were ready a few years ago for a rally. We were ready for a few years ago of a rally of incredible magnitude. And we were looking at one area and one area only. Every 4 years, we hit this. Every 4 years, like clockwork, we hit this. And that typically is the top of the market. Now, I want to give you a secret clue, and I want to give you this huge chart, 150-year-old chart that has accurately predicted every boom and bust. I want to leave you with these two big secrets because they will make everything very clear to you. Secret number one, what I want you to watch is the bottom of your screen, the stochastic RSI, our momentum. What we're doing right now is we've had extended momentum since May 2024. In other words, when you have the blue line on top, again, this is the stochastic RSI. It goes from a range of 0 up to a range of 100. As soon as we get above the 20 with the blue line on top, we've got momentum to the upside. As soon as we have a cross down below the 80 level with the orange line on top, our momentum is going down. Case in point, look at the top of the market of 2021, 2022. We had at the top of this blue line, we had a cross down in our momentum at the same time we are at the top of this blue line. That's what I want you to watch for, because once we have a cross down of this moment, keep in mind, we're on the 2-month chart. Once we have a cross down and we're near the top of this blue line, that's going to spell disaster. And that's when stocks will crash, not only in the US, around the world. And then what will happen to crypto? It will go down even more. Okay? It's just the nature of the business. This is the market cycle that we're in. There's nothing you or I could do about it. Now, that's secret clue number one, because you're probably thinking, okay, well, I see we're at the top of this blue line right now. Every 4 years we get there. Each time is the top of the market. And you look at one thing and one thing only. You look to see that we're at the top of this blue line and we have a cross down, and that's all she wrote. Okay? Let me lay on you the second big secret with this 150-year-old chart that has 2026 right in it. This chart was made 150 years ago, and they put the year 2026 on it, and they had something big to say. So let's unveil it. So here we are at this 150-year-old chart that has accurately predicted every boom and every bust of recent memory and beyond. And it's broken down into 3 simple sections. We have Group A up here, Group B in the middle, and Group C at the bottom. We'll start with Group C. Group C represents great buying opportunities. As you scan your eyes on Group C, you understand that these are the great buying opportunities, and you notice 2026 is not here. In other words, when was our most recent great buying opportunity of the chart that was made 150 years ago? 2023. And if you go back and you look at the year 2023, you can see this was a phenomenal time to buy. It was a phenomenal time to buy anything. If you want to buy gold, phenomenal time to buy 2023. Crypto, phenomenal time to buy. Stocks, phenomenal time to buy. Anything that you could have invested in, 2023 was the year from the chart that was made 150 years ago. By the way, you're probably scanning your eyes to the right, looking for the next great opportunity to buy, and suddenly realizing it's not until 2032. This probably leaves you quite depressed. However, more information on that in a second. So we covered Group C, the best times to buy. We understand the prior time was 2012. And if you go back in time and you look at any markets in 2012, it was a phenomenal time to buy. Now let's go to Group A. These are when panics have occurred. Now, this is when like something out of the ordinary happens, maybe a huge world war, something big that really destroys markets. It's when it's literally the best time of your entire life to invest. Okay, so our most recent time of the best time to ever invest, 2019. You could see right around that time is when COVID happened. Now, keep in mind, this is not a chart that was made in the past couple of years. This was not a chart that was made in the last decade or even the last 2 decades. This was a chart that was made 150 years ago. And they predicted that in 2019, there would be something catastrophic worldwide that would send all markets into disarray. And boy, were they right. Because the time before that they predicted was 1999. Ever heard of the dot-com bubble? Yes, they were spot on with that as well. So what we can see is the next market we're going to enter, 2035. There's likely to be some sort of worldwide pandemic, panic, chaos, world war. Something will happen in 2035. And many of you may think it's going to happen tomorrow, but these have been historically accurate for over 100 years. So we've got to trust it. Okay. Now let's get to the middle of our screen. We understand the bottom, best time to buy. We understand Group A, the top, is even a better time to buy. Those are the worldwide pandemics. Group B. What is Group B? Because if you scroll with Group B, you can see 2026 is highlighted. It wasn't highlighted this decade or last decade. It was over 100 years ago that they put 2026 right front and center right here. So what did they have to say 100 years ago plus about 2026? Well, Group B is the best time to sell. I didn't put that here. It's the best time to sell. And by the way, the chart before that I showed also illustrated the same thing. It goes against the grain. It goes against everything that you've heard from social media. They're all saying that stocks are on fire. It's time to invest. Everybody is investing near the top. But men lie, women lie. The charts don't lie. 2026 is highlighted as the best time to sell, not just in my chart, the chart from over 100 years ago that has accurately predicted every boom and every bust. Tilt your phone to the side and subscribe.